Good morning, day 21, 3 weeks in, kind of a milestone. So I am up the mountain from Big Bear. It's been an incredible end of yesterday and today and tomorrow. The trail here is beautiful, downhill, mostly downhill, easy to walk. So this couple, yesterday as we were coming down towards Big Bear, there's two primary points where the trail crosses or gets near a paved road that's easy to get to from Big Bear. One earlier and one about 14 miles down trail. So we were intending, the plan was to go to the furthest point and then get a ride into town, do our town stuff, stay a night, and then head out the next morning. But when Shepard was talking to this trail angel, she says, I have an idea. How about if I pick you up, or actually it was her husband that picked us up, but how about if we pick you up at the earlier junction, bring you down to the house, you can get a shower, get a good meal, get all of that taken care of, get some of the town chores taken care of, sleep overnight. In the morning, leave your big backpack at the house. So this is at her house. They're bringing us right into their home. She says, leave your big backpack at the house. I have these little day packs that you can carry your supplies for a day. We'll take you back to that trailhead. You can walk the 14 miles with virtually no weight to the other side of town. They're going to pick us up this evening, bring us back to their house, have another wonderful meal, do some more town chores. There's going to be some other hikers coming in tonight. And then tomorrow morning, we'll get back on trail with our full backpacks and head on past Big Bear. So that's doing the trail miles with just a day pack is called slack packing. So it is a thing. People do this. What a pleasure. I feel like I don't have anything on my back. I have a few pounds because I have enough water for the day and food and some clothing in case we were to get stranded overnight for some reason. I have enough clothing that I won't freeze to death. I mean, we wouldn't ever get stranded overnight, but you just carry some basic supplies. I brought my first aid kit and my Garmin and all that, but my pack is feather light. I feel like I'm just jogging down the trail. So this couple are amazing. Beautiful, beautiful home, and they let stinky, dirty hikers in, help them along their way. It's not just Shepard they do this for, they're doing it basically all hiker season. Just incredible what some people are willing to do for others. The hiking community is incredible. So that's today, slack packing. Tomorrow we'll be back on trail with our full packs, but very well rested, and 14 miles of trail that feel like nothing. So while I've been slack packing today, what a joy. I feel like a animal maybe, just bounding across the trail, bounding down the trail. light, able to do the uphills with barely a hard breath. I've been contemplating hiker body, my hiker body in particular. So 3 weeks in, there have definitely been changes in my body. One of them that is a source of discussion and some humor among other hikers when we stop for camping or maybe a snack. Everybody wants to see the current shape of my legs. Not because my legs are particularly pleasurable to look at, but I wear shorts. Unless it's very cold out, I'm wearing shorts. Most hikers, this is probably a clue for me, are wearing long pants all day, every day. I have long hiker pants at home, but even those, when I wear them on other hikes, it's only for cold or maybe wet conditions. I just feel so much more free and agile when I'm wearing my shorts. But what that means is every prick or bush I walk past, every branch that's sticking out, it reaches out to get me. I'll try and show you some of what's going on. I'll talk about this big one on the knee in a minute, one on the side. If you can see, I have a wide variety, mostly on my right leg for whatever reason. I have a wide variety of scratches and dings. So people that wear long pants don't have that problem, or at least not to the extent that I do. Their pants take the abuse from the bushes and the branches rather than their legs. But to me, I don't really, most of the time I don't even notice when I'm getting a scrape. It just happens as I'm going past. I have to pause here for a minute. Oh, there I see a sign up. Shepherd is a little bit ahead of me. She's doing the trail finding, but I let her get ahead of me. She's on a phone call with somebody since we have plentiful power and cell reception here. But anyhow, I gotta make sure that I don't lose the trail. But anyhow, so people that wear the long pants, they don't have all of the scrapes and scratches. I've decided that it's fine, it's not a problem for me. So I just charge through the bushes, and when we take breaks, everybody takes a look to see what happened to me. I'm happy to provide some level of entertainment for others.